Hi everyone, welcome back to YouTube with Saave. In today's video, we'll learn how to use VidIQ to check competitors' video tags. Also, do check out the YouTube Launch Playbook, which is written with pure intent to help YouTube beginners know all the tips and tricks with screenshots and step-by-step guide to set up and launch your channel the right way and also grow it in a way that is very organic. The link is in the video description. So first things first, get your vidIQ subscription if you haven't yet. I have shared my link in the video description for signing up on the vidIQ. Once you get the vidIQ subscription, install the vidIQ extension in your browser, and you can see it appearing everywhere, even in your YouTube Studio and in your browser for YouTube. Right. Once you do that, for any video which you want to see the competitor video tags, you can just go on the video. Now let's see, this has got 911 views. It's You can see the vidIQ parameters that the views per hour are 54,000. It's getting more outlet score of 10x almost, right? Once you click on it and open the video, you can see over here this vidIQ section which appears on a normal channel. This won't appear. So So once you go over here, you can scroll down. VidIQ is ranking the score very heavily on the SEO score. You can see the channel tags. These are the channel tags which you can also place for your channel, and these are the video tags, right? So if you are preparing a video on the same topic, maybe with Sunita Williams or any video on Sunita Williams, you can use those tags, and you can see it is ranking for many tags as one. This is the rank for which the video is ranking. So if anyone searches out figuring out, this video will rank on one. Figuring out with Raj Chamani, you can see these tags. You can simply download or copy and use it for your video. So that's the way you can improve your ranking for your videos. If you find any video on the same topic, just go open it and you can see the video tags over there. Right. I will showcase another video. So this has got 28,000 views. Again, it has a good SEO score, and you can see the channel tags and the video tags appearing over here. So in this way, you can use vidIQ extension to check the competitor tags and even use them for your own video and rank on YouTube. I hope this is useful. Do sign up on vidIQ. The link is in the video description. And if you like the video, do like the video and subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet.